So the idea is that we'll walk around down Drury Court here, and after we speak a little bit here about wildlife, and we'll just be looking for wildlife, listening for it and smelling for it, and seeing what we can see. What you're looking at is a fuel-reduced zone, but managed with the idea of trying to protect the native plants to the extent we can.
Yes, I think.
We cut the weeds, and we try to preserve the native plants. So most of what you see standing, and you'll see more of it from a little farther down, is native vegetation. And it's really good in terms of, we think it's good in terms of bird habitat.
Well, let's just talk about birds for a minute. Can everybody be absolutely silent and raise your hand if you can hear a very high-pitched whistle? Hear the very high pitch? But meanwhile, if you look out and you see tight-knit little flocks going zoom, it's almost certainly that. And if you happen to have a locust tree on your property, that's what they're particularly thrilled about right now. The locusts are blooming, and the ones on our street are filled with cedar waxwings.
I don't think there is a richer native site in the East Bay Hills than this. And it's all natural. Nothing has been introduced here. This is a native flower, Phacelia.
Right, Phacelia I know.
And right behind it is bee plant. And this grass is one of our great native perennials. It's California melic. And that one stem going up there is another native, which is blue wild rye.
What's good about mugwort?
It smells great.
It's related to sage.
You can make tea out of it, can't you?
Grass with a
Or you put it under your pillow and dream about your lover or something.
yeah, with a like.
And,
Can we smell it?
well, mostly they won't come back after you mow
Well, it's only like a round tuft here.
Here's another one of our nice little flowers. This is a hedge nettle.
Some of us are a little too old for that. You get that?
It's a mint. And it, no, it has a fragrance like mint.
If you crush the leaf.
There's a beetle.
I think it's pretty hard.
Beetles are wild.
Two of the invasive exotics. We've got the Italian thistle and the poison hemlock.